Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily English Podcast. I am so happy you are here with us today. How are you doing, Orus?
Hi, Corey. Hello, everyone. I am doing well. Actually, I had a really good morning today.
Oh, a good morning? That is not always easy. What made it so good?
Well, I woke up early. I had a calm breakfast. I did not rush. It felt very peaceful.
That sounds wonderful. A calm morning really can change the whole day, right?
It really can. And today, that is exactly what we are going to talk about. The whole day. Morning, afternoon, and evening.
Yes! Today's topic is your daily routine. We are going to learn real English phrases that you can use every single day, not just for a test, for real life.
Everyone has a daily routine. You wake up, you eat, you go somewhere, you come home, you sleep. We all do these things, but do we know how to talk about them in English?
That is the big question, and by the end of today's episode, you will. So if this is your first time here, welcome. And if you are a regular listener, welcome back.
We are so glad you are here. Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us, please give this episode a like and subscribe to the Daily English Podcast so you never miss a new episode.
Okay, Oris, let's start the conversation. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's go.
So, Oris, let's talk about the morning. The morning is the beginning of everything. What time does your alarm go off?
My alarm goes off at 6:30, but I actually wake up at 7. There's a big difference there.
I see. The alarm goes off, but you don't get up right away.
Definitely not. I press the snooze button. Do you know this word, everyone? The snooze button. When you press snooze, your alarm stops for a few minutes. Then it rings again. I press snooze 2 times, maybe 3 times.
3 times? I always get up right away. The alarm goes off, and I jump out of bed immediately.
Jump out of bed means you get up very quickly, right away. No waiting.
Yes, I am what people call a morning person. A morning person is someone who feels good and alert early in the day.
And I am definitely not a morning person. I am not a morning person. It means you find it hard to feel awake and good early in the morning. You want to stay in bed. Everything feels slow and heavy.
That is a very useful expression. Let's say it together, everyone. Ready? I am not a morning person.
Good job. Say it one more time. I am not a morning person.
Perfect. Now, what is the very first thing you do when you finally get up, Oris?
I run to the bathroom. I splash cold water on my face. I brush my teeth. I find some clothes. Everything is fast and a little crazy.
Cold water on your face is very refreshing. Refreshing means it makes you feel clean, awake, and new, like a fresh start to the day.
Yes, it wakes you up immediately. Then I get dressed and I run out the door.
What about breakfast? Do you have time to eat?
Not much time. My quick breakfast is a banana. I eat it while I walk to the bus stop.
A banana on the way to the bus stop. That is a very quick breakfast, Oris.
I know, it's not the best habit. A habit, H-A-B-I-T, is something you do regularly, almost every day. Eating a banana while walking is my not-so-great morning habit.
We all have habits. Some are good, some are not so good. A good habit might be drinking a glass of water in the morning. A not-so-good habit might be looking at your phone the moment you wake up.
Oh, I do that too. I look at my phone in bed before I even get up. Is that bad?
Many experts say it's better to wait. Give your brain a few quiet minutes first. Let it wake up gently before you fill it with news and messages.
Give your brain a quiet moment. Your brain needs to wake up too, not just your body. I like that idea.
Okay, everyone, let's quickly review the words from this section. First, alarm goes off. Your alarm starts ringing.
Second, snooze button. You press this to delay your alarm a few extra minutes.
Third, I am not a morning person. you find it hard to feel good or awake early in the day.
Fourth, refreshing. Something that makes you feel clean, awake, and new, like a fresh start to the day.
And fifth, habit, something you do regularly, almost every day. Well done, everyone!
Now let's talk about getting to work or school. This journey is called the commute. C-O-M-M-U-T-E. The commute is the trip from your home to your job or school.
How do you get to work, Orus?
I take the subway, the underground train. It takes about 25 minutes, and in the morning it is always very crowded. Everyone is standing close together. Everyone is looking at their phones. It's quiet, but very busy at the same time.
That sounds like every big city in the world. What do you do during your commute?
I listen to podcasts, sometimes English podcasts. Actually, sometimes I listen to this podcast on the train.
Oh, that is wonderful. If you are listening to us right now on a bus or a train, hello. You are making such great use of your time.
Listening to English while you travel is one of the best ways to improve. You hear real words, real rhythm, real conversation, and you are already doing it right now.
I actually walk to work. It takes about 12 minutes on foot.
12 minutes? That is lovely. Do you enjoy the walk?
I love it. I pass a small park, I see trees, I breathe fresh air. It sets a nice mood for the day.
Sets a nice mood. That is a lovely expression. It means something creates a positive, warm feeling to begin the day.
Yes, maybe something sets a nice mood for you too. A good cup of coffee, a favorite song, looking out the window at the morning sky. Think about yours, everyone.
Now you arrive at work or school. You walk through the door. What happens first?
You say hello to the people around you, your colleagues, your classmates, your teacher. These short, warm conversations are called small talk.
Small talk. Short, friendly, casual conversation. Not about serious things, just warm and simple, like, nice day today, or, did you have a good weekend?
Small talk seems simple, but it's actually very important. It makes the space around you feel comfortable and friendly.
And many learners feel nervous about small talk. They want to say something perfect, but small talk is not about perfect sentences. It's about warmth.
Just smile and say something short and kind. Good morning. Yes, it's a beautiful day. That is completely perfect English.
Let's do a quick practice. Someone says to you, "Good morning, how are you?" What do you say?
Option 1, I'm good, thank you. How about you? Simple and friendly.
Option 2, not bad, a little tired, but okay. Honest and natural.
Option 3, I'm great today. I had a really good morning. Positive and warm.
All three are wonderful. Try one tomorrow. You will feel good, and it gets a little easier every single time.
Now, lunchtime. What do you usually do at lunch, Orus?
I try to take a real break. A real break means I stop working completely. I leave my desk, I go outside if the weather is nice, I sit somewhere quiet, and I actually eat my food slowly.
That is really healthy. Many people eat at their desk while they keep working, but that is not a true break.
Right, your body is eating, but your brain is still running. You don't feel rested. Rested means you feel relaxed and recovered because you properly stopped for a moment.
Taking a real lunch break helps you feel focused in the afternoon. Focused means your mind is clear and ready to concentrate on your work.
And what do you usually eat for lunch, Corey?
I often bring food from home, something simple, maybe leftovers from dinner the night before.
Leftovers. Leftovers. Food that is left from a previous meal that you save and eat later.
Leftovers save money, they often taste even better the next day, and you don't need to cook something new every single lunchtime.
Great tip! If you cook a little extra at dinner tonight, you have your lunch ready for tomorrow. Easy and smart.
The afternoon. Around 2 or 3 o'clock, many people feel a big drop in energy. This is called the afternoon slump.
The afternoon slump, yes. Your eyes feel heavy, your mind slows down. You just want to rest your head on the desk.
We all know that feeling. Does it happen to you, Oris?
Every single day at 3 o'clock. I feel like a phone with only 10% battery.
10% battery. That is such a perfect way to describe it.
So what do you do when you feel that way?
First, I drink a big glass of water. Sometimes we feel tired not because we are truly sleepy, but because we are dehydrated. Dehydrated means your body does not have enough water.
Drinking water can help you feel more awake? Really?
It really can. Try it next time. Before you drink another coffee, drink a big, cold glass of water first.
And what else helps?
A short walk, even 5 minutes outside. The fresh air and the movement wake up your whole body naturally.
And even just standing up and stretching for 1 minute makes a real difference. Reach your arms up, move your neck slowly. It feels like a quick reset for your whole body.
Exactly. A quick reset. You sit down again and everything feels a little clearer, a little better.
I am going to try that this afternoon. Stand up, stretch, drink water. No more 10% battery moments.
That's the goal. And before we move to the evening, everyone write the word routine in the comments below so we know you are here listening with us. We love seeing your names.
5 o'clock, the end of the workday. Time to go home.
Do you have an end-of-day ritual, Oris? A ritual is a small, meaningful action you do regularly to mark an important moment.
Yes, my ritual is changing my clothes when I get home. I take off my work clothes and I put on soft, comfortable home clothes. It tells my body, work is finished, rest time has started.
I love that. It is like a physical signal to your brain. Change the clothes, change the mood.
Change the clothes, change the mood. That is exactly it. My favorite old jumper goes on and immediately I feel more relaxed.
Everyone has that favorite old jumper. Mine is a bit too big, but I love it.
Comfort over style at home every time. What is your ritual, Kore?
I close my laptop and I write 3 small things I want to do tomorrow. Then I put the laptop in my bag. That action tells my brain, this chapter is closed, a new one starts tomorrow.
That is a beautiful idea. Close the chapter. Especially important if you work from home, because your home and your office are the same place. You need a clear signal to switch off.
Switch off, to stop your work brain and let yourself truly relax. The evening, the final part of the day. What do you usually do in your evenings?
I cook dinner. Nothing fancy, maybe pasta with vegetables or rice with eggs and a simple sauce. Cooking is relaxing for me. It's such a different activity from sitting at a desk all day.
The process of cooking really is calming. Chopping vegetables, boiling water, stirring something in a pot, and the smell of fresh food, garlic and onions in a warm pan makes the home feel alive and warm.
Even a simple meal cooked fresh feels so much more satisfying than heating something in the microwave.
Satisfying. That warm, complete feeling when something is done well. It's a wonderful word.
After dinner, what do you usually do to wind down?
Wind down. W-I-N-D, down. It means you slowly relax your mind and body before sleep. It's your bridge between a busy day and a peaceful night.
I like that, a bridge. Because if you go from a very busy day directly to bed, your brain is still running. You lie there with too many thoughts.
Exactly. So I read a book, even just 15 or 20 pages, something calm and enjoyable. My brain moves from the busy day into a quiet story.
For me, I watch something easy on TV, something funny or light, not the news. The news before bed makes me feel anxious and unsettled.
Great advice. Save the news for morning or lunchtime. Before bed, choose something that makes you smile or feel calm.
And I make a cup of herbal tea, chamomile or mint, something warm and gentle with no caffeine.
That sounds like a perfect, peaceful evening. And then, sleep. Getting enough sleep is absolutely essential. Essential means absolutely necessary. You cannot live well without good sleep.
Sleep is not lazy. Sleep is how your brain and body recover, grow, and get ready for tomorrow.
When you sleep well, everything feels better. Your mood, your energy, your focus, everything improves.
And with that, one full, beautiful day is complete, from the alarm in the morning to the pillow at night.
From alarm to pillow. I love that, Oris. Okay, everyone, let's do our wrap-up. Here are the key words and phrases from today's episode. Ready?
Alarm goes off. Your alarm starts ringing in the morning.
Snooze button delays your alarm for a few extra minutes.
I'm not a morning person. You struggle to feel awake and good early in the day.
Refreshing makes you feel clean, awake, and new.
Habit, something you do regularly, almost every day.
Commute, the journey between your home and your work or school.
Sets a nice mood, creates a warm, positive feeling to start something.
Small talk, short, friendly, casual conversation.
Rested, feeling relaxed and recovered after a break.
Focused, your mind is clear and ready to concentrate.
Leftovers, food saved from a previous meal.
Afternoon slump, that drop in energy around 2 or 3 in the afternoon.
Dehydrated, your body doesn't have enough water.
Ritual, a small, meaningful action that marks an important moment.
Wind down, slowly relax your mind and body before sleep.
Essential, absolutely necessary.
16 phrases. You're already improving just by listening to this conversation. Pick 2 or 3 that feel most useful and try to use them this week.
Write them down somewhere. Your phone, a notebook, a sticky note on your wall. The more you see a word, the more you remember it. And the more you use it, the more natural it feels.
You are doing amazingly, truly. Every time you listen to real English conversation, your brain is learning, even when it doesn't feel that way. That's real, genuine progress.
We are so proud of you for being here today. Learning a language takes time, patience, and courage. You have all 3.
Well done, everyone.
Before we go, we have a fun community question for all of you.
Yes, here is today's question. What is the very first thing you do when you wake up in the morning?
Do you press the snooze button like Oris? Do you jump out of bed immediately? Do you make coffee? Do you check your phone?
Tell us in the comments. Write it in English. It doesn't have to be perfect. Even one sentence is wonderful. Something like, I wake up and drink coffee. That's perfect English. That's real English. We want to read it.
We read every comment. We love hearing from our community. Seeing your names and your stories from all around the world, it's genuinely the best part of what we do.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the Daily English Podcast and share it with one friend who's learning English. You might help someone take their very first step.
And that's such a beautiful thing to do. Okay, Oris, it was wonderful talking with you today.
It was so great. I feel like we just had a long, lovely conversation over a warm cup of tea.
That's exactly how it should feel. Thank you, everyone, for spending this time with us. Keep going, keep practicing. Every single conversation gets a little easier.
Remember, every day is a real day. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment to practice is right now.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world.
Bye for now. Keep practicing.
Bye-bye.